Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best mountain bike phone mounts available on the market in 2025. Whether you're a weekend trail enthusiast, a daily commuter, or an off-road adventurer, there's a perfect phone mount for you. I've done all the research and testing to bring you the best options. So let's get started. At number 5, we have the Lamicall motorcycle bike phone mount with its no-block camera and 1-second lock design. This mount is perfect for riders who love capturing their journeys. It's designed to leave your rear camera unobstructed, making it a great option for snapping photos or recording videos while on the move. With its reinforced clamp and silicone padding, it ensures a secure grip even on bumpy roads, so your phone stays safe no matter the terrain. The build quality is solid, with a robust yet lightweight design weighing just 7.7 ounces. It is compatible with phones ranging from 4.7 to 7 inches wide, accommodating popular models like the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Galaxy S25 Ultra. The 360-degree adjustable rotation allows you to position your phone for optimal visibility, whether you're navigating with GPS or checking ride stats. Installation is tool-free and quick, making it a user-friendly option for riders of all skill levels. While it's great for photography and offers a highly secure grip, the mount's design may feel slightly bulkier compared to other models on this list. But for those who prioritize camera access and ease of use, this is a fantastic choice. Pros include its camera-friendly design, quick installation, and sturdy grip, while cons are its slightly larger size and limited color options. Overall, it's a reliable option for riders who want functionality and security in one package. Coming in at number 4 is the Lamicall motorcycle bike phone mount with its 1S quick release feature. This mount is all about convenience. It's designed to allow one-handed operation with a simple latch mechanism, making it incredibly easy to secure or remove your phone. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, from 4.7 to 7 inches, including the latest iPhones and Samsung Galaxy models. What sets this mount apart is its upgraded handlebar clip, which ensures a snug fit on handlebars ranging from 0.59 to 1.57 inches in diameter. The non-slip silicone pads provide excellent stability even on rugged trails. The mount's design also keeps the rear camera unobstructed, making it ideal for capturing those scenic moments during your ride. Weighing 7.8 ounces, it's light yet durable, and the blue color option adds a nice touch of style to your bike. While the quick release feature is a major selling point, the mount might not feel as premium as some of the other options in terms of material quality. However, it's a great choice for riders who value ease of use and versatility. Pros include the one-handed operation, camera-friendly design, and quick installation, while cons are its slightly less premium build and the limited color choices. Overall, this is a practical and affordable option for cyclists and motorcyclists alike. Taking the third spot is the Lamicall motorcycle phone mount holder, a versatile and camera-friendly option designed for cyclists who love capturing their adventures. This mount features a half-enclosure design, ensuring that your rear camera is completely unobstructed. It's compatible with phones ranging from 4.7 to 7 inches, including the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Galaxy S25 Ultra, and supports one-handed operation with its innovative One's Lock mechanism. The standout feature here is the quick-install handlebar clip, which eliminates the need for tools. Simply press the button to secure it onto handlebars with diameters between 0.59 and 1.57 inches. The 360-degree rotation allows you to adjust your phone to the perfect angle, whether it's for navigation or photography. The silicone padding ensures both your phone and handlebars remain scratch-free, even on rough roads. While this mount excels in versatility and ease of use, its slightly heavier weight, 6.3 ounces, might be noticeable on longer rides. However, the robust build quality and thoughtful features make it a great choice for riders who prioritize functionality and safety. Pros include its camera-friendly design, tool-free installation, and wide compatibility, while cons are its slightly heavier weight and lack of color options. All in all, it's a solid mid-range choice for mountain bikers and motorcyclists. At number 2, we have the Lamicall Bike Phone Holder, a sturdy and shockproof option that's perfect for mountain bikers tackling rough terrain. This mount features a unique design that grips each corner of your phone to ensure maximum security. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, from 4.7 to 6.8 inches, and can handle phones with a thickness of up to 0.59 inches, including cases. The standout feature here is its adjustable design, which allows you to switch between horizontal and vertical orientations effortlessly. The silicone pads provide excellent shock absorption, protecting your phone from vibrations and scratches. It's also incredibly easy to install. No tools are required, and the mount fits handlebars with diameters ranging from 0.59 to 1.57 inches. Weighing just 7 ounces, it's lightweight yet durable enough to withstand off-road conditions. While this mount offers great build quality and performance, its slightly limited phone size compatibility may not work for larger devices. Pros include its robust design, shock-proof protection, and ease of installation, while cons are its smaller phone size range and lack of quick-release functionality. Overall, this is a fantastic choice for riders who need a sturdy and reliable phone mount for challenging trails. Finally, at the top of our list is the LISEN Bike Phone Holder, a mount that combines ultra stability with an incredibly simple installation process. This mount stands out for its all-around secure design, which grips each corner of your phone tightly, ensuring it stays in place even on the bumpiest of rides. It's compatible with phones ranging from 4.5 to 7 inches, making it versatile enough to handle most modern smartphones. What sets this mount apart is its embedded silicone design, which eliminates the need for additional layers or tools during installation. Simply place it on your handlebar and tighten it. Installation is done in seconds. The silicone cushions and padding provide excellent shock absorption and protect both your phone and handlebars from scratches. It's also environmentally friendly, as LISEN is committed to sustainable practices in their manufacturing. While it's nearly perfect, the mount's design may feel slightly minimalist for those who prefer more robust features like camera access or quick-release mechanisms. However, its ease of use, durability, and wide compatibility make it the best overall option on this list. Pros include its ultra-secure grip, quick installation, and sustainable design. Cons are its minimalist feature set and slightly higher price point. For anyone looking for the ultimate combination of stability, simplicity, and quality, the LISEN Bike Phone Holder is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this breakdown of the top 5 mountain bike phone mounts has helped you find the perfect one for your needs. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments which mount you would choose, or if you've had any experiences with these products. See you in the next video, and happy riding!